T1 on the road in January. I don't think this one's been seen before anywhere. If the Vauxhall would just kindly get out of the way, that would be fantastic. There's a car. Yes, thank you very much, Mr. Vauxhall. Let's get a proper look at this before it disappears into the distance. Such a nice spec. Careful, keeping distance in this weather.